Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the REDTIGER dash cam front rear. This 4K 2.5K Full HD dash camera for cars comes with a free 32GB card, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, 3.16 IPS screen, night vision, 170 wide angle, WDR, and 24H parking mode. Now, let's talk about the features of this amazing dash cam. It records video of up to Ultra HD 4K 1080p resolutions, with a front wide angle of 170 degrees and rear wide angle of 140 degrees to reduce blind spots. The superior night vision and Wi-Fi smart app control make it convenient and reliable to use. Any of the standout features of the REDTIGER dashcam is the built-in GPS, which records the driving route, real-time speed, and location. In the event of an accident, this provides further additional evidence. The dashcam also has reliable features for accident recording, including loop recording and 24 hours parking monitor with time-lapse function. And don't forget about our super after-sales service. This dashcam is backed by a full 1-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our customer service team is available 24/7 to answer any questions or concerns. So, why wait? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the REDTIGER dashcam front rear now and ensure your safety on the road. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.